Let's face it, we all love free stuff. But in the digital realm, the old adage, there's no such thing as a free lunch, often rings true. Google Drive, with its tempting offer of free storage, is no exception. Let's delve deeper into this seemingly generous proposition and uncover the nuances of their business model. How does Google profit from your free account? Data is the new oil. Google's primary source of revenue is advertising. By using their free services, including Drive, you're essentially granting them access to a treasure trove of data about your online behavior, preferences, and interests. This data is then meticulously analyzed and used to target you with personalized ads across the vast Google network. Think of it as paying for the free storage with your digital footprint. The upsell strategy, the free 15 gigabyte storage, might seem generous initially, but it's cleverly designed to hook you into their ecosystem. As your storage needs grow, you're more likely to upgrade to a paid Google One plan for additional space, thus generating direct revenue for Google. It's a classic bait-and-switch tactic, but a highly effective one. Hidden charges and information collection. No direct hidden charges. Thankfully, Google Drive doesn't surprise you with unexpected fees. The free tier is genuinely free in terms of monetary costs. Information collection. Google collects a vast amount of data about your Drive usage, including the types of files you store, how you interact with them, and who you share them with. This data is used to improve their services, but it also contributes to their advertising profile of you. Positives and negatives of Google Drive. Positives: generous free storage. 15 gigabyte is a decent starting point for most casual users. You also need to realize this 15 gigabytes of free storage is for all of Google's services, of which Google Drive is just one of the parts that requires data storage. Seamless integration. Drive works seamlessly with other Google services like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, making collaboration a breeze. Accessibility. Access your files from any device with an internet connection. Reliability. Google's infrastructure ensures your data is generally safe and accessible. Negatives. Privacy concerns. Google's data collection practices raise legitimate privacy concerns. Limited control. You have little control over how Google uses your data. Vendor lock-in. Once you're deeply invested in the Google ecosystem, switching to another provider can be cumbersome. The verdict: is Google Drive truly free? Technically, yes. But remember, you're paying with your data and the potential for future upgrades. If you're comfortable with this trade-off and prioritize convenience and integration, then Google Drive might be a good fit. However, if privacy is your primary concern, consider exploring alternative cloud storage providers with more transparent data policies. Remember, in the digital world, nothing is truly free. There's always a catch, whether it's overt or subtle. Stay safe, stay secure, and be an informed user, and make choices that align with your values and priorities. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.